Let's get started, guys.
Something that's good for me.
This lesson is a quick lesson, guys. We're in the key of E flat major or D sharp. But we're in E flat, so it's. And we're doing the regular and day. And what's your chord progression? It's E flat major, A flat major, B flat major, A flat major, E flat major. So your passing chord in this is a 1, 4, 5, 4. So this is your passing chord, this A flat major. So when does the solo start? It starts on the 3.5. And what do I mean by that? Listen closely. 1, 2, 3. So on the 3.5, if you're counting, you automatically should be counting in the back of your head, guys. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So on the 3.5, you come in. And when you do that, you're basically in the middle of your 4 chord. You're in the middle of this chord here, this A flat. So 1, 2, 3. And then you go into your 5. 2, 3. 2, 3. So you're kind of in the middle of your A flat when you're on that 3.5. So guys, if you're counting in your mind, this is a good practice technique so that you can create good solos with coming in at certain times. This is one of the things I started doing, is paying attention to the times I'm soloing. I want you guys to start doing that. Start counting in your mind. 1, 2, 3. Immediately on the 3.5. 2, 3. So start counting your solos, guys, while you're doing them. So you can study and see when is it appropriate to come in with the next solo. When is it appropriate? We have videos on the response technique where you're responding from octave to octave. But this is more about when to come in. This is more about what time to come in with your solo. Because that's not easy to figure out either, guys. So I want you guys, I'm going to be posting more lessons on the time signature of Kompa, coming in at certain times. I just wanted to introduce you guys very briefly to it. Just throw it out there. And then we're going to be breaking this down with the next videos, guys. This is Roland Blase, KompaKeyboardSchool.com. If you need sounds, courses, I got you. Go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. Signing out. Forget that. That's just a random gouyad solo. But guys, time signature 3.5. Roland Blase signing out. Hey guys, this is Roland Blase. One thing I want to tell you that Kompa, you will learn Kompa, you will know how to play. And we've just released the official beginner's Kompa course. In the Kompa course, you will learn the key, how to find the key, what is the key, scales, chords, Kompa chords, Kompa chord progressions, the number system. You will learn minor chord progressions, Kompa rhythm. In this Kompa course, how to chaque, simple solo tips, you will know how to start your journey off playing Kompa. For $19.99, this Kompa course has just been released. Go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. It will be the first link on the top of the page, and you will begin to know how to play Kompa in no time. Most of the key elements to Kompa keyboard playing is in this course. So guys, do not wait. Do not hesitate. Get your Kompa course now and start playing Kompa right where you're at.
Something that's good for me.